Hello, and today we are with Penguin, and it's glitching, and it's glitching. Well, it's kind of glitching, so I can't get out of my thing. But what?
Click out of your thing. Click out.
Yeah, I can.
No, you go. Move your mouse out of the thing. Click.
Okay, so little weird intro right there, but make sure to leave a like and subscribe.
And go into
Snowy.
N. Are you in N?
Yeah. So okay, so make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and leave some support to Guy in Father's channel.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and
Oh yeah, he's streaming right now. So
yeah, make sure to
he has a lot more, so just check him out. And yeah. So I'll see you when the game starts, boy. Ready? And we are here. So me and Brendan are teaming. So yeah, 'cause last time when I wasn't recording, there was a pretty sick battle with me and no armor. I had no armor, and it worked out pretty well. So see if we can do it again. Oh God, that was weird. So I'm gonna go to mid. Wait.
Dude, you know there's bridges above us?
I'm in. Really?
On the top of your tower.
Oh. You can just use. Oh yeah, you need some blocks, right?
No. Well, to get that. Wait, what color are you? Oh, you're my neighbor, dude. You're my neighbor. Look, I'm on
Which one are you? Are you building?
I'm right next to you. Yeah.
Oh yeah. So let's get to the top and we'll meet up. Yeah.
Wait, first, guard your egg. You don't want to.
I'm not.
I am.
I'm not gonna right now.
Being
Because if I die, it's gonna be that bad.
okay, sure, you don't
I'm going to mid. Okay, I'm at mid, bruh.
already.
Yeah.
You get as much diamond. Oh, dude.
Oh, there's someone here. Need help.
I'm sort of guarding my egg.
Oh God, someone's attacking. Oh God.
Oh, I see your battle. I'm just walking through the tunnel. Did you die?
No.
Okay, dude, I almost have obsidian on me. Okay, I have obsidian.
I need to kill this guy. He's being annoying. Oh God! Oh God! Oh God!
Okay, dude, I'm gonna. Wait, are you chest?
No.
Dude, who's attacking you, Dark Flip?
I'm gonna die. Oh, my egg has been destroyed!
Did you die?
No, I haven't died yet.
Run. Come over to my base, but don't test me.
Okay.
I'm your neighbor, remember that.
Wait, I don't even know where my base is. What was I? What did you do with my? Oh God. I just died. Okay, thank you for watching. That was a really short video. But I guess thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time once I got here and press pause.